Right now I am going to execute the project name called voice based age prediction. So here I am going to give two types of input. First I am going to execute this main.py file. Here I am going to upload the audios which is already available. These are all the audios which I am already available. So by using this audio, if I upload in a main file, and it will call, so directly I'm calling here the main file, the data files, audio files, and I'm already having the module, those modules called here, this is the modules. So I'm going to predict not only age as a gender as well as the language. Okay, so I'm going to execute first the main file. So I'm going to choose anaconda command prompt here, python main.py. So once I execute this project, it's called all the modules, and whatever the audio is available on the audio folder, all the things will be called over here, and it predict the what type of age for that particular audio, and what will be the gender, and what will be the language. Those two additionally we added over here. So you can see here, these are all the audios. For audio, it predicting the gender will be male. For the same audio, it predicting what age group it is and what language it is. So totally these are all the audios is available on that particular audio folder. For all audios, it predicting three classes: what gender, what age, and language. So the second type I am going to execute, this is an app file. So app.py. By using Streamlight, I build this application. Streamlit, Streamlight run app.py. So by using this application, I can able to give directly a voice as a audio input, and it predict the result. So you can able to record it over here. Hi, hello, how are you? So based on that voice, actually I reduced my voice and I just speak it here. Hi, hello, how are you? Whatever the content I given as an input, that will display over here, and it will predict the result also. So again I am going to do some other voice. Hi, what is your name? It predicting 50 ages. So on that basis, you have to give not a regular voices, you need to moderate your voice, and if you give as an input, it will predict what range it is.